Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can rotate a table in Overleaf. So let's get straight into it. This is the most common method for large tables that need their own page. It rotates both the table and its caption. So we need the package. So at the beginning of the document you will see \use package. So right here I will add use package rotating, and right here where I have the table I will just change the table here that we will see what will happen. So like that, and right here this one needs to change now. Okay, and as you can see this it's on another page, but still we turn around this table as you can see right over here. The next method, it can be used, so we need another package, fixed rotation, specific angle. So I will put in here use package graphics. As you can see, sorry, I was a little bit too quick. So use package graphics. Now if I change this table right here with that one, I will just copy it right here. So we have begin center rotate box 90 degrees. And if I recompile this like that, where it is, as you can see here, AB. So if I change here maybe to 270, what will happen? Like that, you can see that it's changed. So if I go with 45, and as you can see right here. So yeah, this is the second method. We can also use the landscape page, so we need another use package, which is called PDFLscape. So I will copy it right here. So as I mentioned, use package PDFLscape, and then right here, if I paste in this table like so, what will happen? And now, as you can see, the whole page is turned around, basically rotated. So yeah, this is how you can rotate tables in the Overleaf. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next